What if Romania's most impressive castle isn't the one you expect? Welcome to Corvin Castle in Hunedoara. Built in 1446, this Gothic fortress rises like a medieval fairy tale. It was constructed by John Hunyadi, one of Europe's great military leaders. Its towers, drawbridge, and stone walls once symbolized power and defense. Legends even say Vlad the Impaler was imprisoned here. From above, the castle's dramatic silhouette feels cinematic and timeless. Inside, vaulted halls and Gothic details reveal centuries of history. Many consider it the most beautiful castle in Romania. Less crowded than other landmarks, yet just as breathtaking. If you explore Transylvania, this is a must-see destination. Would you add Corvin Castle to your travel list? Subscribe for more immersive journeys with Impol.